Hello again folks, welcome back to another video. Today I have something really exciting. It's something that I've been wanting to try for a while now. This is the Pico 4, a virtual reality headset, and honestly I'm really excited to finally try a VR headset. Join me as I take my first steps into the world of virtual reality with the Pico 4. Now, for full disclosure, this headset was sent to me for promotional purposes, but all views and opinions are entirely my own. And with that said, this Black Friday and this holiday season, Pico is offering great deals and free games with the Pico 4 headset. Check the link in the video description for some amazing offers. Now, I'll be splitting my review of the Pico 4 into 3 separate short videos. In today's video, I'll be basically doing an initial unboxing and a quick walkthrough of the VR headset and the initial setup process. In the second video, I'll look more in-depth at the headset's specs and focus on the VR content such as gaming, videos, and browsing the web. And finally, the third video will be an overall summary of my experience of using the Pico 4 after about a month's use. The Pico 4 is making waves in the VR community, and we're about to find out why. From its sleek design and its powerful features, this headset promises to take your virtual experiences to the next level. So let's get started, and we begin with an unboxing. So here is the box. It's a kind of a plain box on the top side. It just says Pico 4, and it has a reflective two-tone finish to it. On the reverse, it has various images of different games, which I imagine run on this headset. So, in the box, you get the following: the Pico 4 VR headset, 2 wireless controllers, they come with wrist straps or lanyards, 1 face spacer for glasses, 1 nose flap, a USB Type-C cable, a power plug, 4 batteries for the controllers, and a quick start guide and manuals. So let's take a closer look at the Pico 4 virtual reality headset. And my first impressions? It looks really futuristic. It's actually smaller than I thought it would be and surprisingly lightweight. Now, having never tried a VR headset before, I always imagined they would be big, bulky and heavy. But this is really light and it looks really nice too. Let's start by taking off all of the stickers. The Pico 4 is a standalone VR unit. That means it doesn't need to connect to any kind of external source or a PC, and it's completely wireless. So here is a quick walk through the headset. So this is the power button. Next to that, there's a status indicator. This changes color and flashes to signal different things, for example, when the battery is low or when it's charging. This is the face cushion. It's nice and soft. It's also removable and it's actually magnetic. You can control the volume from here. There are 2 speakers, one on either side, here and here. On the front, it has a see-through or a pass-through camera, so make sure you don't block this. The Pico 4 also has 4 tracking cameras, here, here, here and here. Again, make sure you don't block any of these either. This is the top strap, which is adjustable, and there is a strap dial on the back. This is the USB Type-C port, and finally there is a proximity sensor on the inside, which makes the headset either wake up or go to sleep if you take the headset off. Now, as I've already mentioned, this headset feels really light. It's also really well balanced, and one of the reasons for this is because the battery is located at the back, which provides a really good weight distribution. These are their two controllers. They feel nice and grippy, and they also come with lanyards or wrist straps so you don't accidentally throw them out of your hands. Now, these curved designs are not only for design purposes, they're actually used for tracking, so make sure you don't block them. Okay, so let's try on the headset, and as I go through various settings, I'll describe the process that's going on and what I can see inside the headset. So when you try the headset for the first time, the display may be a little fuzzy and not entirely clear, but this is only because it wasn't fully positioned on my head. A quick adjustment of the headset and the strap easily fixes this, and you can also tighten or loosen the headset strap using the dial at the back of the headset. The initial setup process is really quick and easy. You enter all the usual information such as the language and country that you're in and confirm a code via email to basically activate the system. Once you've gone through this initial setup, you can adjust things like IPD or the pupillary distance between your eyes, and you go through a screen to basically set up your environment and set boundaries. Now, I'll cover this more in detail on the second video, but once you've done all this, you can enter the VR world and you kind of appear on a spaceship, and there's a planet Earth outside. It's awesome actually, and it feels a little strange at first. You can move around this environment and it appears like you go in a living room and there's a sofa area and there's also a tree on one side. The environment is easy to control with the controllers. It's like having two laser pointers and they're very smooth and accurate. It feels very natural, to be honest. You can bring up a menu or the dock using the left controller, and from here you can access all the settings and services like exploring various videos or going to the Pico store or go to various apps and etc. Again, I'll go through all this in more detail on the second video, but here's a quick demo of me trying a VR roller coaster and also a VR shooting game.
First elimination. Red flag stolen. Blue team scores. Red flag stolen.
Okay, so my first impression of using the Pico 4 VR headset, and personally, I think it's really good. Now, in fairness, I have no real point of comparison. I haven't tried another rival brand, so I don't know how well the Pico 4 essentially holds up with its closest competitor, but from what I've just experienced, I really like it. It's comfortable, albeit I've only worn it for a short period of time, and the VR experience has been really exciting. It's a new environment for me, and I'm excited to see where it takes me. So far, I've just touched the surface of this actual headset. I've tried a few games just to see what the experience is like and how the headset feels to wear. In the next video, I'll be looking more into the actual content that's available for the Pico 4 and trying out more of the gaming features. Well guys, thanks for joining me today as I enter the world of VR with the Pico 4 virtual reality headset. If you would like me to cover any specific areas or try any specific function of the Pico 4, let me know in the comments below and I will address these in the upcoming second video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to come back to you. Until next time, take care and I'll see you on the next one.